pretty much.
0.6? Okay, yeah, around there. Nice port. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Well, you really fit 6 in here good.
Yeah. You got me a couple different times. I've changed every time you see.
It's all good, man. I'm here to just get demos all day, so. I love me some bass. Could you tell me your name and what's in here real quick, man?
Okay, my name is Jerry. I got 6 Avatar 12s, a bass 15K, and I got 18 D2 speakers in here.
18, okay. What is it tuned to?
35.
35, okay. All right. What are you peaking at? Like 34, 35, I'm guessing? Close around there?
36.
36?
When I do you know.
Yeah. Yep.
BB test.
Awesome. Can I see the back real quick?
Check his Volkswagen out.
I will. And this is wired to what with 6 of them?
About half of them, pretty much.
0.6? Okay, yeah, around there. Nice port. What's going on, everyone? I'm YouTube Jacob Vile. I do daily car audio videos. I hope you enjoyed the walk around we got at Jerry's system. Go ahead and give him a like if you haven't already. He did a great job showcasing it at the TDH 2021 show in Virginia. This was his thumbnail at the time for the previous video I posted about 2 years ago. Recommend checking that if you haven't already. After the bass demo, you'll see the progression and how he's changed over the years, going from 4 12s to now what he has is 6 of the Avatar 12s on a 15,000 watt amp. Definitely pushing some power. As you can see, the wires are ran underneath the box. I didn't find out exactly how much lithium or upgraded alternator he has, but his previous system, I know he had 120 amp hours of C-Max lithium, so let's just assume that's what he's running with for lithium. So the way he optimized his space with this box is pretty efficient. Fitting 6 subwoofers with a huge curved port really optimized the output. I could definitely tell the frequency response was really well into the high 20s, low 30 Hz range, being tuned in the mid 30 Hz range for the box. Didn't get his SPL score at the time, but I definitely would have to say it's probably in the mid 50s on music. After he turns it up all the way, you'll see in this demo. You can see all the different angles. I try to get outside flex, inside flex. My wife helped get some of the footage as well. Shout out to her. Anyway, we're going to go ahead and get to the bass demo now. If you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily car audio videos coming your way every day, and enjoy this crazy subwoofer flex. It's pretty nasty outside too.
What are you peaking at? Like 34, 35, I'm guessing. Close around there? 36.
36? Yeah. Yeah.
BB test.
Awesome.
I appreciate the demo again. Nice to meet you.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.